Devil worshipping in Pennsylvania schools? Well, it depends on who you ask. On May 1st, U.S. District Judge John Gallagher ordered the Socon Valley School District in Pennsylvania to allow the after-school Satan Club to meet on its campus. The after-school Satan Club is founded and sponsored by the Satanic Temple, which holds itself out to be a non-theistic religious organization that falls under the protections of the U.S. Constitution. The Satanic Temple's website states, the After-School Satan Club is an after-school program that promotes self-directed education by supporting the intellectual and creative interests of students. The club focuses on science, critical thinking, creative arts, and good works in the community. This decision dates back to February when the Satanic Temple applied with the school board to allow it to host its after-school Satan Club on school grounds. Originally, the Satanic Temple was allowed by the school board to meet. However, the presence soon caused outrage among concerned parents. Those opposed to the school board's decision say that this allows devil worship in classrooms, whereas those who are in favor of the school board's decision say that it merely allows an alternative to the Good News Club, which is a Christian organization that teaches kids about the Bible. June Everett, the national campaign director for the After School Satan Club, echoes these views.
After School Satan Club is a club that only goes into schools where a parent has requested our presence. It usually comes after their kiddo has been sent home with a Good News Club flyer.
This is the flyer for Good News Club, another after-school program at Saucon Valley Middle School that's sponsored by a local evangelical church that discusses the Bible.
Lucian Greaves, the co-founder of the Satanic Temple, has previously addressed these allegations of devil worship and has stated that they are false.
It's not devil worship. We're non-theistic, meaning we don't hold to supernatural beliefs or we don't endorse supernatural beliefs. We don't believe in a literal Satan, but we do view Satan as a literary metaphor that stands for us, revolt against tyranny, and more specifically, in most cases, theocratic tyranny.
Lucian Greaves' statements have also been mirrored by June Everett as well.
We, as members of the Satanic Temple, do not believe in or worship the devil.
In response to this backlash from parents, the school board banned the After School Satan Club from meeting on its campus for the remainder of the year. Because they were banned from the school, the Satanic Temple filed suit against the school board, alleging violations of the Free Speech Clause, the Free Exercise Clause, and the Establishment Clause of the U.S. Constitution. All three of these rights are found within the First Amendment. The seminal case from the U.S. Supreme Court on whether an after-school religious club can meet on public school grounds is the Good News Club versus Milford Central School, which was decided back in 2001. In this case, a Christian organization called the Good News Club sought to use a public school facility after hours to hold meetings for children, which included prayer and Bible study. The school district denied the Good News Club's request, alleging that it violated the Establishment Clause of the First Amendment, because to do so would be an unconstitutional endorsement of a particular religion. The U.S. Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of the Good News Club, holding that its denial of access to the school amounted to viewpoint discrimination. Now, viewpoint discrimination is exactly what it sounds like. It's when the government discriminates against a particular viewpoint solely because it disagrees with what's being said. The court further noted that if a school allows other non-curriculum-based clubs to meet after hours, it must do so to all clubs, regardless of their religious or political leanings. The Establishment Clause does not require a school to ban religious clubs from meeting solely because they are religious in nature. All that is required is equal access and equal treatment. In his order, Judge Gallagher noted that the facts here are strikingly similar to the Good News Club versus Milford Central School. In fact, the Good News Club is the same Christian organization that the Satanic Temple state that they are not given the same religious liberties as in this case. As a result, Judge Gallagher held that the school district cannot discriminate against the Satanic Temple simply because they disagree with their religious beliefs. With the Supreme Court's ruling in the Good News Club versus Milford Central School in mind, it makes sense why Judge Gallagher held, when confronted with a challenge to free speech, the government's first instinct must be to forward expression rather than to quash it, particularly when the content is controversial or inconvenient. Nothing less is consistent with the express purpose of American government to secure the core innate rights of its people. Here, although the Satanic Temple's objectors may challenge the sanctity of this controversial named organization, the sanctity of the First Amendment's protections must prevail. Indeed, it is the First Amendment that enumerates our freedoms to practice religion and to express our viewpoints on religion and all topics we consider sacred. The Supreme Court's ruling in the Good News Club versus Milford Central School has made it clear that if God is allowed into school, then Satan must be let in as well. While this case in Judge Gallagher's order may invoke strong emotions from some people, it is important to remember that constitutional rights should be applied equally across the board, regardless of who the person is or what they believe. Without equal treatment under the law, justice cannot occur. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video.